90% of men today have low testosterone. And what if I told you you're one of them? Science says 300 to 500 nanograms of testosterone is normal. But the truth? That's already low, because testosterone isn't just any hormone. It controls everything that makes you a man. Your sperm production, your muscles, your bones, your skin, even your height. So if your testosterone is low, your entire system starts collapsing. Now the real question is, how do you know if your testosterone is high or low? And if it's low, how do you fix it? Don't worry, in this video, I'll break everything down step by step. Simple, clear, and backed by real science. Let's start. 3 signs that shows if your testosterone is low. 1. Chest fat and belly fat. If you're carrying extra fat on your chest and belly, that's a hormone problem, not just a diet problem. Here's why. Body fat produces something called aromatase. This enzyme takes your testosterone and converts it into estrogen, the female hormone. So the more fat you have, the less testosterone you produce. And the less testosterone you have, the more fat you store. It's a cycle, and it keeps getting worse until you break it. 2. Weak muscles and tired body. If you're under 35 and simple physical tasks leave you exhausted, if your muscles feel weak, if you get cramps out of nowhere, that's not normal. That's your low testosterone. Most guys say, I'm just tired, or maybe I need more calcium. No, the real reason is low testosterone, and until you accept that, you won't fix it. 3. No morning wood. This is the most honest sign your body gives you. Testosterone is at its peak in the morning. So if you're not waking up with an erection, or it feels weak, your testosterone, blood flow, and nerve health are all suffering. Your body is giving you a signal. Don't ignore it. Now here's how to fix it naturally. 1. Excretion. Most people don't know this, but sweating is directly connected to testosterone. Research shows that regular sweating through exercise or saunas helps your body balance hormones and flush out excess estrogen. More sweating equals more testosterone. It's that simple. And the best way to sweat hard and fast is sprinting. Just 3 sets of sprints 3 times a week. Sprinting makes you sweat, builds muscle, and also releases growth hormone, which helps with height too. It's one of the most powerful things you can do for your hormones. 2. Sleep. I know you've heard this 100 times, but hear it again, because most guys still don't take it seriously. Testosterone is made while you sleep, not at the gym, not during the day. During deep sleep, your muscles recover and your hormones reset during sleep. You need at least 7 hours of sleep. Max you can go to 9 hours. 3. Eat the right food. Your body needs 4 things to make testosterone: protein, zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats. And here's the best breakfast that gives you all 4 at once. If you eat non-veg, make a 4-egg omelet. Add 2 slices of melon on the side. Eggs give you protein, healthy fats, and all the multivitamins. Melon gives you hydration and minerals. Simple, fast, and powerful. If you're vegetarian, go with high-protein oats. I personally use Muscle Blaze, but any high-protein oats work fine. Boil them in the morning and add a good amount of dry fruits, walnuts, almonds, and cashews. Oats give you protein. Dry fruits give you the healthy fats your hormones need. Eat either of these every morning for just 10 days, and you will feel a real difference in your energy, strength, and focus. That's it. If you want to learn more about things like grooming, mindset, discipline, and improving yourself, then you can join the Zolven Brotherhood. It's a free community where men are working on becoming better every day. Inside the server, we share mindset insights, grooming tips, glow-up discussions, and weekly challenges to help you improve. You can also interact with me and other members of the Brotherhood, ask questions, and learn from each other. If that sounds interesting to you, the link to join the Zolven Brotherhood is in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.